Alright, I'm here now with Andrea Hayes. She wrote Addicted to Twilight, Confessions of a Twilight Mom. Now, did you put together this event tonight?
I did, along with my friend and partner, Regina.
Have you done it here at Borders before?
Yes.
Or is this your first time?
Nope, this is actually our third event. The first one we did here was the New Moon DVD release. We had about 200 people show up. It was really a large event. And then we did another one. We rented out the Regal Cinemas, one of the theaters across the street, and did the Eclipse movie premiere there, and had over 300 people at that one. It's been a lot of fun.
Do you plan on doing any more events in the future? Or?
I don't know. You know, we have a year.
Yeah.
It's Breaking Dawn, and we've been talking a lot about going out to California. But
so
I work closely with the Foundation for America's Blood Centers, and of course they love what we're doing for them. And we'd like to do some more things maybe in between now and the next movie since we have so much time, but we'll see.
And what inspired you to write the book?
Well, I actually it wasn't a book to begin with, it was my journal. I had been reading the Twilight books and really just got addicted to it, and I like to journal, and a lot of times I work through things by journaling. I thought I was going crazy because I'm an adult woman with 2 children, I'm married, and I feel like a child or like a teenager going through, and loving all these books. So I started journaling about it and journaling about all the funny things that were happening with me and the funny things I was doing. And my mom and I sat down and were looking back through my journal one night because she's a big fan as well. And we just laughed. And she said, there's so many moms that I work with and moms that I'm friends with that are into this too. They would probably think this is hilarious and they would identify with it. And I slept on it for a couple nights and then figured out, I'm going to put my journal into a book form and use the money to donate to the Foundation for America's Blood Centers because my daughter was sick as a baby, and so it was a foundation that I was passionate about. And she had several blood transfusions when she was 6 months old. So my main purpose for doing this was just for fun, but also I wanted to do something to give back to the foundation.
Is it available nationwide? Or?
It is. It's actually, you can go into any bookstore and get it, and if they don't have it, you can ask them and they can order it and get it in, and it's always in Miss Borders bookstore. It's online at www.confessionsofatwilightmom.com.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you. Everyone, go check out her book, Addicted to Twilight, Confessions of a Twilight Mom. Thank you, Andrea, and thank you for this event tonight. It's been a blast.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you.
You too.